Welcome everyone, this is Riley on Weather with your Thunderstorm Basics 101. Credits, NOAA, and NSSL. Now, my producers wrote this, so it's kind of crazy, but right now I'm actually in a thunderstorm. While I'm talking about thunderstorms, you can kind of hear the thunder here. Let's be quiet for a little bit. Okay, so that's sounds to be playing. Well, it's not really sound; it's actually outside. But so what is a thunderstorm? A thunderstorm is a rain shower during which you hear thunder, like we just heard. Since thunder comes from lightning, all thunderstorms have lightning. Yes, even if you don't even see lightning, all thunderstorms will have lightning, no matter what. Why do I sometimes hear meteorologists use the word convection when talking about thunderstorms? Put your answer down in the comments below, guys. So, usually created by surface heating, convection is upward atmospheric motion that transports whatever is in the air along with it, especially any moisture available in the air. A thunderstorm is the result of convection. What is a severe thunderstorm? And yes, many people are going to know, oh, well, Riley, a severe thunderstorm is just a thunderstorm with bad weather and stuff, but no. From NOAA, it's actually, a thunderstorm is classified as severe when it contains one or more of the following: hail 1 inch or greater, winds gusting in excess of 50 knots, or in miles per hour terms, 57.5, or a tornado. So, this is what a thunderstorm... hang on. So, in a couple of minutes, when I get to this page, which you probably can't even see. Here, but... how many thunderstorms are there? Worldwide, there is an estimated 16 million thunderstorms each year. And at any given moment, there are roughly 2,000 thunderstorms in progress. Like, there could be a thunderstorm right now in Arkansas, and I wouldn't know because I'm doing this video than looking at my radar. Crazy, right? Anyways, there are about 100,000 tornadoes each year in the U.S. alone. About 10% of these reach severe levels. So, just the other day, we were under a severe thunderstorm warning, which is bad. When are thunderstorms most likely? Thunderstorms are most likely in the spring and summer months and during the afternoon and evening hours, but they can occur year-round at all hours. Along the Gulf Coast and across the southeastern and western states, most thunderstorms occur during the afternoon. Thunderstorms frequently occur in the late afternoon and at night in the plains, like Oklahoma, Kansas. I don't put a whole list up here. And if you're wondering what my background is, it's actually a green screen. Yes, it's a green screen. Editor canceled out the effect of the green screen. This is my green screen, everyone. But yes, so this is what a thunderstorm, a thunderstorm to be playing here the whole time, so it's basically going to be, oof. What kind of damage can thunderstorms cause? This is an important part about thunderstorms. Many hazardous weather events are associated with thunderstorms. Under the right conditions, rainfall from thunderstorms can causes flash flooding, killing more people each year than hurricanes, tornadoes, or lightning. Lightning is responsible for many fires around the world each year and causes fatalities. If you don't know what fatalities, editor, put it up here. Hail lift is the size of softballs. So this is a hailstone the size of a golf ball. This is a softball. Hail lift the size of softball damages cars and windows and kills livestock caught out in the open. Strong, up to more than 120 miles per hour. Straight line winds associated with thunderstorms knock down trees, power lines, and mobile homes. Tornadoes with winds up to about 300 miles per hour can destroy all but the best built man-made structures. So if you're looking for a reference, I'm not the person you can look for a reference for. Remember, this is not a reliable source. I get all my information from NOAA. But what are severe thunderstorms most common? The greatest severe weather and threat in the U.S. extends from Texas to southern Minnesota. But no place in the United States is completely safe from the threat of severe weather. No places. Not even your basement. Boom. What is the difference between a severe thunderstorm watch and a severe thunderstorm warning? A severe thunderstorm watch is issued by the NOAA Storm Prediction Center. Meteorologists who are watching the weather 24/7 across the U.S., the entire U.S., for weather conditions that are favorable for severe thunderstorms. A watch can cover parts of a state or several states. Watch and prepare for severe weather and stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio to know when warnings are issued, guys. Warnings. I like having a green screen here. It's fine. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued by your local NOAA National Weather Service Forecast Office. Meteorologists who watch a designated area 24/7 for severe weather has been reported by spotters or indicated by radar. These are the radars I use. We got WeatherWise and like Weather Tracker, I don't know. Editor, here's the app and here's the name. Warnings mean there is a serious threat to life and property to those in the path of the storm. ACT, act now to find safe shelter. A warning can cover parts of counties or several counties in the path of danger. So that means if you're in a path of danger at all, you have to get to safety. How does a thunderstorm form? 3 basic ingredients are required for a thunderstorm to form. Moisture, rising unstable air that keeps rising when given a nudge, and a lifting mechanism to provide the nudge. The sun heats the surface of the earth, which warms the air above it. If this warm surface air is forced to rise, hills or mountains, or areas where warm and cold or wet and dry air bump together can cause rising motion. It will continue to rise as long as it weighs less and stays warmer than the air around it. As the air rises, it transfers heat from the surface above and surface of the earth to the upper levels of the atmosphere. The process of convection, as we were talking about earlier in the video. The water vapor it contains begins to cool, releases the heat, condenses, and forms a cloud. The cloud eventually grows upward into areas where the temperature is below freezing. So that's in a future video about how hail forms. As a storm rises into freezing air, different types of ice particles can be created from freezing liquid drops. The ice particles can grow by condensing vapor like frost and by collecting small liquid drops that haven't frozen yet, a state called supercooled. When two ice particles collide, they usually bounce off each other, but one particle can rip off a little bit of the ice from the other one and grab some of the electric charge. Some of these collisions build up big regions of electric charges to come a bolt of lightning, which creates the sound waves we hear as thunder. The thunderstorm. Oh, the thunderstorm. You see nothing, guys. You see nothing. The thunderstorm life cycle. Thunderstorms have 3 stages in their life cycle: the developing stage, the mature stage, and the dissipating stage. The developing stage of a thunderstorm is marked by a cumulus cloud that is being pushed upward by a rising column of air, updraft. The cumulus cloud soon looks like a tower called Towering Columbus. As the updraft continues to develop, there is little to no rain during the stage, but occasional lightning. The thunderstorm enters the mature stage when the updraft continues to feed the storm, but precipitation begins to fall out of the storm, creating a downdraft, a column of air pushing downwards. When the downdraft and rain-cooled air spreads out along the grounds and forms a gust front, or a line of gusty winds. The mature stage is most likely time for hail, heavy rain, frequent lightning, strong winds, and tornadoes. Eventually, a large amount of precipitation is produced, and the updraft is overcome by the downdraft, beginning the dissipating stage of the ground. At the ground, the gust front moves out a long distance from the storm and cuts off the warm, moist air that was feeding the thunderstorm. Raining downfall decreases in intensity, but lightning remains a danger. Okay, so now we've come to that picture stage. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. So we have the developing stage, mature stage, and the dissipating stage. What does a thunderstorm look like? A thunderstorm can look like tall heads of a cauliflower, or they can have anvils. An anvil is the flat cloud formation at the top of the storm. An anvil forms when the updraft, warm air rising, has reached a point where the surrounding air is about the same temperature or even warmer. The cloud growth abruptly stops and flattens out to take the shape of an anvil. I will be right back, guys, while I go get a drink of water. I'll be right back. Okay, so we are going to end this video with a good banger. We had the thunderstorm that's going on outside, so we don't lose power. That's what I really hate, but it's like the whole thing overall that I like doing on the channel. But thank you guys for doing all this progress with us. Thanks to the creators. Whoa, what the heck just happened? It's fully dark in here. What the heck? What the heck? Oh, I can't see. Is the backup camera back on? Okay, oh. Looks like our backup generator is kicked on. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you all later. Not again.